So I'm going to say try again here and go. And the question is, what is the mass of this part in XX grams? So let's move this over here. We'll kind of show the clock as we're going through here with this speed run. And let's start a new document here, new parametric part. And we're going to expand this menu here. We're going to show the we're going to pick the XZ plane, Shift S to begin our sketch. And now we're going to use our line command here. So we're going to jump into the line command. I'm going to use the point length angle option. So single click, move our mouse over. This is going to go over 65, enter, and 0, enter. And then I'm going to create another line here that comes up. This one is going to come up at a height of 15, enter, and 90, enter. And we're going to come over here to this corner, come up here at a height of 62, enter, and 90, enter. And we'll create a line here that comes over, and this is going to come over at 30, enter, 0, enter. And then we'll create a line that comes down, and we'll make sure that that's going down perfectly so we get that vertical, and a line that comes over here, make sure it's coming over perfectly so we get that horizontal. And now we'll press escape once, pick that point, pick this point down here, and C for coincident. And now we see that the sketch is fully constrained, and that is what we want from our sketches every time. So Shift S to exit that sketch, and now the sketch is already selected, so X to extrude, and then that's going to be 29, tab, space, so that it's symmetric about that plane, and enter. Always good to try to learn these workflows whenever you jump out of an extrude. And then fillet, and this fillet is going to be on this edge and this edge with a radius of 14.4999. Enter. And oh yeah. And now back to the tree here. We're going to right click on the body, go to material. We're going to scroll down through this list all the way down to the bottom and pick the ABS generic and close. And then the letter M to bring up our macros. Double click on center of mass, and the mass is 0.0719 or 71.9 grams, 71.9, and enter. And boom! That is how you can run a speed run on the app. And of course, we're not speed running just for the sake of doing things fast. We're speed running because it lets us refine and practice our most common workflows, extruding mid-plane, creating fully defined lines as we're sketching.